It's summertime, so I'm going to make a nice refreshing summer drink for you. I've already made a mango margarita and hope you enjoyed that. So today I'm making something similar except with Aam Panna. Now Aam Panna is this nice tart, tangy mixture that we make in India, and it's made in almost every home for the summer. A glass in the afternoon just cools the system. So that's what I'm using today. And I have some water mixed with honey instead of sugar today. I'm using that for the sweetener. And I also have, of course, my tequila, which will go in here. And I'm going to garnish this off typical Indian style. I'm sure all of you growing up have had, raw mango with chili and salt, so it brings back memories. So I'm just going to use that as well later, and maybe some mint. So very simple process. I'm going to drop my tequila in my shaker, and along with about half that, I just made some extra. So I'm going to put about half of my honey water and the Aam Panna. This is homemade Aam Panna, but you can buy it in stores as well. So that should do it. And I give that just a gentle shake. This doesn't require much because most of the ingredients have already blended together just by pouring it in there. So I just give it a shake about 8-10 times, and that's it. It's good to go. So put that in my glass. Perfect. And if you want more ice, you could just take the same ice from here and drop it in. So that's what I'm going to do to make it nice and chilled. And got my garnish. Look at all that chili and salt, looks fantastic. So drop that on there, and maybe just a little bit of mint sprig, but it wants to go in itself, so we let it go. And put a straw in it, and that's your perfect summer drink. There you go, folks. Enjoy, and see you next time.